Most of our class handouts are going to be in Sway, which is a combination word processing and presentation software that allows us to create documents that function like a web page. We all have access to Sway through our institutional Microsoft accounts. I chose this because the dynamic graphics are going to adjust to whatever screen you happen to use. Now you can and should scroll through these the way you would any web page, but I just want to show you a few neat features of Sway, and we can look at these in our Chaucer handout. If you go to the bottom of the page and see that there's a little list icon, if you click on that, it means you can now view the handout as sections of a document timeline, where you can sort of treat it like slides on a slide deck. You can also go to the top of the screen, click on an icon there, and change the style of the presentation. So instead of seeing this vertically, you can now wipe or push through the presentation as opposed to scroll. You can also use that same icon to select the accessibility view. This is going to reduce animation, it's going to clear colors and background, and it's also going to lock you in a vertical view that allows you to focus on one part at a time. This is the view that you want to be in if you use assistive devices like a screen reader. This is also the view you want to be in if you want to be able to search the presentation, because only in this way of viewing can you actually search the document the way you would a Word doc.